feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I'm up on the catwalk of my greenhouse. I know everybody knows where it is. I'll show you from the ground in just a minute. But we had a tear in the plastic. So one of my videos on today is going to be on how I can repair this tear, because it can't tear anymore. I'll have no top. Alright, it's at the very peak, and you can see it goes 15 feet plus probably about 16 feet. Oh, that's just a little spot. So there's no way we can put that back together. You're laughy out there. So I'm thinking that we'll bypass that whole section right there. I'm gonna I have little vents that are up in here. I'm gonna bypass those, and what I'm gonna do is put a board right here flat against this, and going straight up and straight across there, and then I'll come on the outside and I'll reattach the plastic back down on that board. Alright, I hope that's a good idea. Alright, I screwed them boards up there we talked about. Well, one of them. I still haven't done the rest of them yet, but I'll let you see my progress as I go along. Alright, I just doubled over the plastic and attached it down with screws. Of course, I use these nice 3-inch screws right here, and I just reattach the rip. And when I'm finding out, I'm gonna have to go the entire length, but at least y'all know how I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, Ane Ove Ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later guys. The video was so short, I wanted to show you a few of our flowering fruit trees. This is not one, this is a Bradford pear, but it's too beautiful to ignore. Here's another one, and the last one. This is our plum tree. I'm not sure of the variety, but they're little purple plums. This is how Alberta peach has started. This is our red bud. This red bud is snack heaven for me. I love these little blooms. Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Help me to feed all the hungry. Use me, Lord, to ease their misery from all this worldly pain and captivity. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving